Alright, so this is like try number 3 to fix my tire. I did get a hold of Busted Knuckles, and they sent me another kit. Basically said sometimes they get a bad kit and it just doesn't, you know, vulcanize correctly. So he sent me another kit without any trouble. So I'm going to try and give it another shot. So we'll see how it goes. All right, I had to wear a hat since my hair's so long and it looks terrible. I want to close out this tire saga. I'll give you an idea, a rundown. So when I had a problem originally in the video where the compound never really hardened, I got a hold of Busted Knuckles, and basically they said that that's not super uncommon. They said occasionally they get a batch that doesn't harden correctly. So he sent me another batch. I sent him that stuff back. And I went ahead and I started over and did it again. So that was the second time that I had to scrape that stuff off, because this is my third attempt at it. So thought I would go ahead and give you an idea where we're at. So as you can see, it smoothed out really good. It seems to be, you know, pretty tough. There's a patch on the inside and the outside. I think I'm gonna go ahead and air it up. I mean, I think I'm gonna give it a try. You know, just to see what happens. I'm gonna put it on the bead lock. I do have to repair the rim. The rim got damaged at some point, so I do have to repair that. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out real quick, and then we'll go from there and probably put this back together and get this tire out of my Florida room. And if we air it up and it just blows up or has a big bubble there or something, then it is what it is. I mean, what can you do? So, all right, so I'm out here in the garage. It's cold. We're gonna start working on this rim, kind of give you an idea what's going on there. Yeah, so that needs to be repaired. Kind of messed around with a few new things on the video home front. I do have a light, which is kind of nice. You know, so anyways, I'm gonna do a little bit of work on this. I'll probably turn the heater back on, so there'll probably be a really cool music montage while I'm working on the rim, but I'll try to get a good shot of it. Just kind of show you what I'm doing. Number one thing, you don't want to heat it or anything like that. You just want to try to get it back in shape, and then I'm going to try to get that tire mounted back up. So see, it's pretty good. I'm gonna clean this up real good, wire wheel it, get some tire sealant, we'll call that good. So we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll finish out this whole tire ordeal today and be done with it. All right. So we're at 14.5. Our thing is, well, it looks okay. I guess we'll see what happens over the next day. Our little, go around the light. Our little patch looks okay. So the tire's all seated. 14.5 pounds. I'm just gonna let it sit here. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit here like this, and I'll come out and check it tomorrow or whatever. See how it works. But it's holding air and it's doing better than any other cold patch I've ever used. And I have tried a couple. But it looks good. I mean, it seems strong. So we'll see. We'll see how it looks tomorrow. All right, so day 2 on the repair of the tire, and it so far looks pretty good. You know, it's hard. I mean, I guess it's, you know, about what I would expect. Everything looks good. I don't know why it changed color a little bit, like it's a little bit whiter. I checked the temperature or the pressure. I checked the pressure and it's looking good. See where I repaired the rim. So anyways, I guess that's gonna pretty much close this out. Probably we'll go out and get it on the Jeep and take it out four-wheeling so we kind of know how everything worked out, and that's it. Done.